Trigonometric ratios. Before we start with trigonometric ratios, let's consider three quantities x, y and z. When we have three quantities, how many different ratios we can make? So we can form a ratio between x and y, so x by y, or it can be from y to z or z to x, right? Or it can be other way around also, because x to y is not same as y to x, so y by x or z by y or x by z. That means when we have three quantities, we can form 6 different ratios, right? Now consider a right angle triangle. We have ABC, right angle let B. Let's say we are taking C as a reference. Okay. Now, what are the different sides we have in this triangle? We have AB, BC and AC. Right. Now, since we have three quantities, we can form 6 different ratios as we just discussed. So, the ratio can be AB to BC or BC to AB, just the reciprocal of this. It can be BC to AC or AC to BC, or it can be AB to AC or AC to AB, right? Okay, so now identify the three perpendicular, hypotenuse and base for this right angle triangle. We have B as right angle, so AC is hypotenuse. Since theta is reference, AB will become perpendicular and BC will be the base, right? Now if we write this, now if you see with these three sides, we formed 6 different ratios. AB is perpendicular, I'm just writing P by base, perpendicular by base, and this will become base by perpendicular. BC is base and AC is hypotenuse, and AC is hypotenuse and BC is base, and AB is perpendicular and AC is hypotenuse, and AC is hypotenuse and AB is perpendicular. Now see, we have 6 different ratios formed with perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. So these ratios have been given some specific names, that is nothing but a trigonometric ratios. Now, but you need to remember what are those, the ratios. Okay. Now, if we take the ratio between perpendicular and hypotenuse, we call it as sine, S-I-N-E, and in simple shortcut we write just SIN. So sine is the ratio of perpendicular to hypotenuse. And we have then base to hypotenuse. So base to hypotenuse is called cosine. This is cosine. The ratio between base to hypotenuse is called cosine. In short, we write it as cos, right? Then the ratio between perpendicular to base is called tangent. In short, we call it as tan. Okay. Then the ratio between base to perpendicular, this is called cotangent. In short, we write as cot. Then hypotenuse to base, this is called secant. In short, we call sec. Then hypotenuse to perpendicular, this is called cosecant. In short, we call it as cosec. So these are the 6 different ratios that is formed out of perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. These 6 ratios have been given specific names. Those are nothing but our sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant and cot, right? So you need to memorize them. Sine is the ratio of perpendicular to hypotenuse, and cos is the ratio of base to hypotenuse, and tan is the ratio of perpendicular to base. Now it's reciprocal. Base to perpendicular is cotangent, and hypotenuse to base is secant, and hypotenuse to perpendicular is cosecant. Okay, so you can easily memorize them by remembering one mnemonic, which is so cot. Okay, so if you see so cot, so S stands for sine. So sine is from between opposite to hypotenuse. So your opposite is nothing but perpendicular, by hypotenuse is sine. Co is cosine, that is cos. Cos is the ratio of adjacent to hypotenuse, which is base by hypotenuse. Then to. So T is tan. Tan is between opposite and adjacent, which is perpendicular and base. So if you remember sine, cos and tan, then the reciprocal relations you have to remember. The reciprocal of sine is cosecant, reciprocal of cos is secant, and reciprocal of tan is cot. Okay, so we will discuss in detail about all the trigonometrical relations. What are the reciprocal relations? What are the quotient relations and all in the next class. Thank you.